Cakewalk Next versus BandLab. Choosing the right music production tool can transform your creative process without overwhelming complexity. Cakewalk Next offers deep control, while BandLab excels in cloud collaboration and accessibility. Cakewalk Next and BandLab are two powerful music production platforms. The core difference lies in Cakewalk Next's advanced desktop-based DAW capabilities versus BandLab's cloud-based collaborative environment designed for easy access and sharing across devices. Cakewalk Next is a professional-grade digital audio workstation developed by BandLab, designed for Windows users seeking a full-featured music production suite. It operates as a desktop application, offering a comprehensive set of tools including multi-track recording, MIDI sequencing, advanced mixing, and mastering features. Cakewalk Next supports VST plugins, high-quality audio effects, and detailed automation, making it ideal for producers who want precise control over every element of their tracks. Its interface is customizable, catering to experienced users familiar with traditional DAWs. While it demands a more powerful computer and a learning curve, its offline functionality ensures stable performance without internet dependency. This makes it perfect for serious musicians, producers, and engineers focused on in-depth sound design and complex projects. However, it lacks native cloud collaboration, which means sharing projects requires manual file transfers of third-party services. Overall, Cakewalk Next suits those who prioritize professional features and offline reliability in a Windows environment. BandLab is a cloud-based music creation platform accessible through web browsers and mobile apps, designed to simplify music production and collaboration. It provides an intuitive interface with essential DAW features such as multi-track recording, virtual instruments, loops, and mastering tools. BandLab's standout feature is its seamless online collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same project in real time from anywhere. This makes it ideal for musicians, bands, and producers who want to create and share music quickly without worrying about software installation or compatibility. BandLab also includes social features, enabling artists to publish tracks and connect with a community. While it offers fewer advanced editing and mixing options compared to Cakewalk Next, it compensates with accessibility and ease of use. BandLab works well on low-spec devices and requires an internet connection for full functionality. It fits beginners and collaborative creators who value cloud convenience and community engagement over deep technical control. When comparing Cakewalk Next and BandLab, the choice depends on your workflow and priorities. Cakewalk Next excels in detail production, offering a rich set of tools for mixing, mastering, and plug-in integration, best suited for users with powerful PCs who want offline stability. In contrast, BandLab prioritizes accessibility and collaboration, perfect for remote teams or creators on the go using multiple devices. If you need advanced audio editing and professional-grade features, Cakewalk Next delivers a traditional DAW experience. However, if your focus is on quick project sharing, cloud storage, and social interaction, BandLab's cloud platform provides unmatched convenience. The trade-off is between depth and flexibility versus ease and connectivity. Both tools are free, but Cakewalk Next requires Windows, while BandLab supports all major platforms through the cloud. Choose Cakewalk Next if you want a powerful offline DAW with advanced features for detailed production and mixing on a Windows system. BandLab is the best choice for creators seeking an easy-to-use, cloud-based platform for collaboration and instant sharing across devices. Whether you're a beginner or working remotely, BandLab's accessibility and social features make music production simple and connected.